Hey, what's going on, everyone? My Ryker rider friends, welcome back to another episode of Rob Ryker, or Rad Rob Ryker. I got something special for you guys today. Actually, this is one of the first videos that I wanted to put out because I think it can save people a pretty good deal of money. And I'll explain. It's let me switch my. I'm going to be talking about the Throttle Lock today. You can see all my crazy gear on this thing. But yeah, so this right here, it's a throttle lock, you know, kind of a cruise control basically. What you do is you clamp it in between the your throttle here, and when you engage it, it will lock your throttle in place. And when you disengage it, of course, you know, it goes back to normal. You know, I would advise caution when using these. I only use it on the highway. I have mine just tight enough to where I can still turn it if I need to, but it will hold it in place as well. So if I need to stop really quick, I can just, if I feel like it's faster to throttle down, I can do that, or I can hit the X, and that's the cool thing about this throttle lock as well. I love the button setup here. You can turn it off real quickly, and what it does is it just pinches your throttle, you know, so that it locks it into place. And so the thing that I wanted to talk about today is there's one of these that's being sold on Amazon and other places for about $150. You know, and originally I was like, how can this little thing cost $150, you know? So I ordered the one on Amazon just to check it out, and simultaneously I ordered one from Temu, or Temu, however you want to say it. Temu, I think, is politically correct, but we've been calling it Temu forever. Now that's, you know, that's another video of itself, talking about Temu and Wish and sites like that, because you never know what you're going to get. However, this particular case, I ordered this for $4 at the time versus the $150 on Amazon. And what I got was the exact freaking same thing. It just doesn't have I believe the other brand is Atlas on Amazon. This being sold for $150. It doesn't have the Atlas branding, of course. But when I inspected them, it felt like they were made of the exact same thing. Even the box was almost exactly the same thing. So what I'm guessing is probably someone is getting these for like $4 from Temu and then selling them to people for $150 on Amazon. So I just wanted to educate some of you guys if you're interested in getting a throttle lock. I've tried a few different types, and this is my favorite by far. And it's worth its weight in gold if you use throttle lock a lot. But yeah, for $4, I mean, that was a killer deal. And I believe I just checked Temu, and I think it has went up to like $14. But you're still saving a ton of money. Like, what is that, $140, $135? So I really wanted to get this information out to you guys, and I'm going to put links to both products in the description. And so yeah, today's not going to be a long video. However, quite an important one if you're interested in throttle locks. I don't really use this as much for cruise control per se. I pretty much, because like, okay, so this type of cruise control, you know, when you go up a hill, you're going to lose acceleration. When you go down a hill, you're going to gain acceleration. So it doesn't really work the same way as an electronic cruise control. An electronic cruise control will keep you pretty much at the same speed. This tries to keep you, you might stay within like 10 to 15 miles per hour of the same speed, but it's not a super accurate you know, way of for cruise, you know, to use cruise control. But I got my Ryker is a 2021, and they didn't and start, you know, they didn't bring out the electronic cruise control until a year after my bike, so I'm a year off. 2022, the Rykers are cruise control capable. Some come with it, some you have to buy an add-on from my research. I actually bought the add-on just to see if I could make it work, and I just, yeah, there's no way that that I could hook it up. So yeah, so this was my only option. But like I said, I don't really use it that much as cruise control. What I do use it for is to rest my hand. You can see my wrist rest here. That helps greatly as well. Highly recommend those as well, because you could just, you know, lay your wrist on it, stretch your fingers out. Because I have a bad problem with, I have a sunburn, by the way. I have a bad problem with losing circulation in my hand and my hand going numb after about like 30 minutes to an hour of riding. And so I, you know, when I need to stretch out my hand, I'll put on the cruise control, stretch it out. I mean, I can even bring it down, you know, make sure good couple of minutes, get some blood flow usually if the traffic is nice, and then I can go back to it. So that's primarily what I got it for, to rest my hand. This as well helps a lot. So yeah, I think that pretty much covers everything. Had to let you guys know about that, because I do, you know, this channel is all about trying to save you money. So, you know, if you're all about that, Ryker mods and saving money, then please hit the subscribe button for me, because I'm going to have a lot of good videos for you guys. So, all right, I'll see you guys soon. See ya. Peace.